Hey guys, Nikki here, and I have a video, a very interesting video. First of all, I want to thank TE8872 USA for partnering with me for this video. It is about relaxation. You guys know I'm all into right now, and this is something that I'm just like thrilled I got. Sorry about the reflection in my glasses, but thrilled that I got this is perfect for Father's Day. This is a perfect gift period for anybody who's a makeup artist, hairstylist, anybody that stand on their feet all day. They are going to love this foot and leg massager. Okay, so if you're interested in the unboxing and how it works, please continue to watch. Hey guys, let's start with the unboxing. This is how your machine will come. This is the TE8872 foot and calf massager. So I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys a little hack that I use. On the side is your voltage and everything. I know some people are into that. That's how powerful it is and all of that. So I'm going to show you a little hack I use to get stuff like this out the box. I open the top and then I slightly flip it. Okay, I'm not going to try to pull that out. And then just lift the box up like that. It's that simple. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So let's just break this down. This is very, very user friendly. You don't have to put anything together. It's already together in the box. All right, if you guys have been watching me for a minute, you guys know how I feel about these chairs in the mall. Anytime I'm at a mall, I make sure I'm in it because I really enjoy the massage and it's very cheap. And one of my favorite parts is the leg calf part. So you guys know where I'm going with this, right? I'm gonna show you another clip. I'm for real about this. I'm really for real. I love this. $5, a dollar, whatever you put in there. But I'm gonna show you how to make this at home. Okay, we're gonna do this at home. All you have to do is get you a chair and get a back massager and put on it. So this is the TE88 system that you will use for the bottom part. It comes with a year warranty. Make sure you sign up and register this. So if anything happens, you can get a brand new machine. All right, guys, I love warranties. So this is what you have: heating, speed, timing, and mode. So you can switch it up. This is your mode. This is your timing, how long you want it to run. This is how the speed of it. It can go slow or fast or whatever. And this is if you want heat. So let's just get into the machine. Of course, you plug it in. No batteries or anything are required for this. And so this right here is double. You can carry it with this and it's 360, and this is what's going to turn it into a calf massager, and I will show you guys that in just a second. So right here I'm trying to show you how soft this material is. That is very important because this is where you will put your feet and your calf, and you can unzip this part right here and take the whole entire thing off so that you can wash it. So right here you just swivel that like that, and that is what turned it into the calf massager. So there are a lot of ways you can use this. First, you plug it up and you see the light blinking. That means that it's on. You can get a chair and you can put your feet in here. You can do this in a chair. You can do this on the floor. You can even do it on the couch, like if you have a lounge type couch, or just lay sideways or sit sideways on your couch. So right here I'm just testing the different settings, and this feels so good. It is perfect. So right here I'm going to test it on the calf. I already had it running, so I had to put my calf in there in between. But yeah, and just sit back and relax. So next what I will be showing you is, yeah, my broke little bestie had to try it. So she even enjoys it. And last, I will be showing you how you can use it. You don't need a chair. You can sit on the floor, or you can sit on your couch sideways, or if you have a lounge couch, and you can massage your calf. Alright guys, so I will leave any links and discount codes that I have below. I'm going to do more of these because I want to get into more of this stuff at the house, because you know when you venture out, this stuff is expensive. Like, for the price you pay for that machine to have at home to do it anytime you want, people will charge you that per session. You get what I'm saying? So like I said, I will leave all of the links and etc. below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you want me to review more. This isn't really techie, but items like this, and I'll bring it to you. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.